Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef Monie. Hey, if you are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, and also to the right or to the left of it, that post notification bell, so you know when I'm dropping new content. Y'all, check these ingredients out. We got a Jamaican jerk rub, New York strip, garlicky kale, and plantains. The season used in this video can be found and also purchased in my bio or description box below. The video is self-explanatory. I'm gonna stop talking. Please enjoy the video. God bless.
Battle's coming up. And y'all put me a quick spot on this. I know the Congo battle's coming up in a little while sometime soon. Can y'all hear me quick? And so I'm going to need you to work Dave out just a little bit for me, all right? You can keep it right there, but I need you to work a little bit, Dave. I need to get a warm up for the Congo battle. So they're not going to sleep on the church Congo playing no more. To the whole world, come on, Dave.